When you're looking for a property in Costa Rica and you're looking for privacy, beautiful ocean view, beautiful mountain view, and a place where the breeze keeps going every hour of the day, this is the right property for you. We have beautiful ocean view on the back looking towards the south. We have beautiful mount on the right here and on the back of the property. This is a 2-level building site property. This is the top building site, and we have the lower building site closer to the entrance right here down below. This is 2.3 acres. We have mangoes, we have wildlife all year round, and we have Waterfall at a walking distance from this property. This is a great property to look at if you're looking for the right place to build your house and to be quiet with nature. We are at the entrance of the property right here. This is the road. So you enter the property, you have the lower building site right here, which is huge. And then a little further, we have upper building site with the massive ocean view and mountain view. We have the beautiful mango tree right next to the main building site, and when it's season, you just reach out for your mangoes and you have almost unlimited supply when it's in season. And this is the beautiful building site with the magnificent ocean view on the back. This was Kevin Champagne with Osa Tropical Properties, and for more information on this beautiful property, just contact me directly or any team members here at Osa Tropical Properties. We'll be happy to assist you. Until then, take care.